It's another cicada nymph. It's another one. I honestly do not know how I found another one. But I did. So that's cool. Oh, it's moving. Yep. Okay. It's late at night. We just found a cicada. And yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a nymph, so it's showing its skin, so it may look like a skin, but it's not. Yeah. See it's moving? Should I try to get it on my hand? No, you should just leave it be. Hold on. I'm gonna try. Okay. Didn't like pops. Didn't like the. Dude, he almost literally touched me. It's so blurry. He's cool. All right, we're gonna try to get him on my hand. Come here, little buddy. He might think the light is something that attracts him. The light attracts him. So we're laughing. No, it makes him want to go away. And that's why he's going towards your hand. Because he has nowhere else to go. Okay. Get on, little buddy. He's on. He's almost on. Oh, he touched it. Come on, buddy. He's shy. Oh my goodness! He's literally on. Alright. He's almost off. He's on my finger. Alright, go back on the tree. Here, go right here. Show your skin. So you can shed the skin. No, don't put him on the ground so animals can't get him. He's back on the tree. So, yeah. That was pretty cool. I don't know how this happened, but we found two. Wow. What? I can see it's sucking. I want to hold on. Cameron, you probably shouldn't. Why? It can hurt them pretty bad sometimes. We need some light here. Okay. Not there. You're just getting it a bit on him. No, you're not even doing it in the right spot, man. Are you kidding me? What? I just found a skin. Nope, that's a nymph. That's a nymph. 3 nymphs. Look it. We gotta go tell Mom. No, I want to show her just the video. And I don't get to carry any? Why do you get to carry more? Because you're more of a bug scientist? Yeah. This was just the night. This was the night. The lucky night. Lucky night. All right, I will give you more information if we find another one. Everybody, we just found another one. Do you think they're invading Michigan? They might be. Is it a nymph? Yep. This has been a 4-time nymph night. Dude, are we breaking world records? I think so. Breaking them in one day. Imagine that, though. Breaking records on the most cicada nymphs found. In one night. In one night. That's the one that we found first up there. You can't see that, though. Oh, yeah, you can. It's that darker spot. See that? Zoom it in. No. That's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cute. Pretty cute. For cicada nymph night. That's regular. No, that's not. That's not regular at all for here. It took me like an entire month just to find one, and now they're out everywhere. That's amazing. All right, that concludes this night of finding cicada nymphs, but I will be taking this out a bit later and recording these things shedding their skins. All right. First stage of cicada shedding its skin.
There's one.
Cameron. Oh yeah. You hold it. The first stage of him shedding his skin. Alright. Alright, hold on.
That's the shot.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Wow. I'm definitely gonna get up early in the morning and check that out. Alright. It shed its skin.
Send this video to me.
It's about done.
You send this video to me?
Yeah.
It's
done.
This one shedded too!
Oh my gosh! It really inside! It's green! How is Macy outside?
They let the dog out at this late? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
See the cicada inside it?
Yeah. Wait here, Cameron. Come over here. Come to this side.
Ow!
What?
Stepped on a rock.
Oh. Look at that.
I see the legs of the skin. Should we keep the skin?
Yeah.
What if it was still inside?
Oh my gosh.
Jenna?
What if it was still inside?
Crouch down with me.
Oh my goodness. This is amazing.
Oh my God.
I feel so accomplished. Really, I do.
We have found.
Let's look at it. Again, this one.
Okay. They ripped out of the skin. Dude, it would be so cool if we actually saw them doing it.
Yeah, that would be really cool. Cameron, shine the light on it. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Hashtag amazing.
Hashtag cicada.
Hashtag we found a cicada that shed its skin.
All
See the green inside it?
This
cicada.
actually concludes the night.
Dominic, see the green on inside?
Yeah.
That's the cicada.
This is the best shot.
Literally. It's
Yes.
so amazing.
Look at
I
it.
can't believe it. This is a mission accomplished.
Yeah.